So what we got here is all the components needed for the fork seal and bushing replacement. We got the Maxim 5-weight fork oil, which is recommended for use for this bike. The All Balls seal kit, and then the MSR bushing kit. And as far as tools go, we have the seal driver by Motion Pro. We got the seal bullet, which is used for putting over the end of the fork leg to slide the seals over without damaging them on the sharp edges. And then we got the 50mm end wrench, which is used to take off the fork cap on top. And that's about it as far as tools go. We'll need a couple box wrenches and a ratchet and socket, you know, just your basics. But as far as specialty goes, that's all you're gonna need. So let's get started.